Hello and welcome to this Weebly dashboard and page editor overview. Today I'm going to show you some of the basics of using the Weebly page editor. But first of all, let's have a look at the Weebly dashboard. So once we've logged in or signed on to Weebly and we've chosen our theme, our website's really underway. Now, some of the things that we need to know when we come to the dashboard after we've logged in are just some basics here. So you can see there are some statistics from the website itself. We've got page views. Got page views just over here. Let me get this right. There we are. Got page views, unique visits, and your average page views. Now, I'll explain what all these mean in another session, but needless to say, they just measure how many people are coming to the site, how many people are repeat visitors, how many people are new to the site. We also have up here another menu which allows us to manage different sites that we've got with Weebly. So I have a number of different sites and I can choose which site I'm going to be editing. But really the most important part of the dashboard is this bit here, the edit website. Once we click on this, it will take us into the Weebly page editor. And it's important that when we're working with the editor, we know exactly what everything is called and what it does here. So this is sort of like a little orientation to the page editor. And I'll give this to you now so it will help you in the future. So we'll just wait for my page to render. So let's start with the left-hand side over here. These little tiles are called elements. Now there's all sorts of elements here, and they allow us to make all sorts of changes to the website. Next, what we have, if we go to this horizontal area here, this part along here, this is what it's called the editing menu. So the editing menu here. So most of the time with Weebly, we're going to be in the build area. But if we want to add a page or take a page out, we'll be here in pages. If we want to change a theme, so the overall look of the page, we can do that here. And if we want to add little apps here too, so if we want to put buttons and counters and all sorts of things, we can do that. Now this large area here in the middle, I like to call it the canvas. In essence, it gives us a preview of what our page is going to look like. And we also use it to drag elements onto the canvas and make changes. So if, for example, I want to change some text here or change this photo, I can do it here. The other important thing we need to do if we really want to test to see what our page looks like when it's live and it's up on the web is come up here and click on the Publish button. Now, once I click on Publish, this little pop-up box comes up and it gives us a link to my website. And if I click on that link, it opens up in a new tab, which we can see up here. And this is my website live. The URL is up here, leobirch.com, and we can see exactly what it's going to be looking like once I've done all the changes. Often what happens is people will click on the link here, the new tab will open up, and they'll be looking at their website live and they'll wonder why they can't make any changes. All the changes have to be done here in the Weebly page editor and on the canvas that I've just shown you. So that's just a little introduction to the Weebly dashboard and the page editor. Hope you've enjoyed it, and remember, so that all these skills become embedded, don't forget to practice. Okay, so bye for now.